Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Beat poets most likely use free verse O as a comparative tool using a traditional arrangement or to convey opinion using a fixed layout, to draw attention to repetition using a controlled text, or to convey a thought process using an unstructured format. The answer of the question is beat poets most likely use free verse to convey a thought process using an unstructured format. This is the correct answer for the question. If you have any question, understanding your comment, I will be answering you. As I soon as I can, thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.